525019 Southwest 114th Court. Right in the heart of Homestead. Alright guys, come on in. Come in, we'll notice the electric keypad entry. And this beautiful open space right when you walk in. This home, both bedrooms are located up on the second floor. Right here we have a nice formal living area right when you first walk in. And as you can see, the stairs leading upstairs to the right. So right here to my left, we open up into this wonderful kitchen with the dark cabinets and light countertops. This contrast is absolutely beautiful. Look at all that cabinet space. This nice large kitchen with upgraded stainless steel GE appliances. Dishwasher over here. And the Peninsula bar seating. Now this to me looks like it could easily hold 4 chairs. And this large pantry right there, right next to the fridge. The kitchen. You'll see here this nice open floor plan out to the backyard. And the backyard is fenced off, which is great for kids and pets and for privacy. The entire home comes with vertical blinds on every window. And right here off the kitchen is the half bath. Now let's go check on upstairs. So inside this development, it has great amenities. There's a children's play area, a beautiful pool with pavilion that you can rent out for space, and that actually even has a full kitchen. So as you see here, coming upstairs to the second floor, on the landing, you have a nice spot for a decorative piece, a beautiful chandelier stairs. You will see this large closet, which is one of the great features of this property. It has great storage, and to the right is the master bedroom. The master bedroom features recessed lighting. It's a large, beautiful, beautiful bedroom. As you can see, there's great natural light in here. Now let's check out this closet. Oh wow, look at how big this closet is. And this master bathroom is right here. It features a walk-in shower. And I don't know if you noticed, but the kitchens and bathroom cabinets are all the same color, so it's the same color scheme throughout, which is a lovely feature. And right here, when we exit the master bedroom, we'll find another closet here to the left with the tankless water heater. A stackable washer and dryer. And here you have the AC closet with a Train AC system. Here is the second bedroom, another very large size room, which is getting a lot of natural light, as you can see. This is almost like a second master suite with the size and with the ensuite bathroom. And here is the closet as well, another very, very large walk-in closet. I don't know if you can really tell how big this closet is. I'm trying to help you get a feel for it. And here is that second full bath with a shower tub combination. Again, a great natural light, which is great for makeup. The same counter and cabinets throughout. And here we go. So this was your tour of this property. I really did hope you enjoyed it. If you like, please check below. If you have any questions, please contact me. My name is Jessie Davis, and I have my eyes on your next house. Thank you.